Welcome to a new computer vlog. In this video we're gonna take a look on this HP XW6400 Xeon workstation. It also comes out of a dumpster. So let's take a closer look. The system is quite a mess. There are loose parts in it and it's quite dusty. We have some fan bracket here, a loose memory stick. It's a 1 GB DDR2 stick, ECC. And there's one stick installed. The CPU cooler is loose. And the system supports 2 CPUs. And there is now a Intel Xeon E5320 installed. It's a 1.86 GHz quad core. The hard drive is a 250 GB Seagate Barracuda. We have a DVD writer installed. And we have an AT-Fire GL video card and a FireWire card. The power supply is 550 watt. Before I gonna clean this system, I will reinstall the CPU cooler and try out if the system still works. Okay, the system boots up and we're now in the BIOS, and here we have the CPU and the memory is detected. Okay, the system is working and booted to Windows XP, and the password is not just enter. Now we know the system works and it's probably just thrown away because it's a bit older now. I will pull out some parts and clean the system. Before cleaning, after cleaning. Let's see what the system has to offer. We have 2 sockets 771 for Xeons up to 2.66 GHz. We have 4 DIMM slots. I think this system will support 4 GB per DIMM, so maybe 16 GB in the system. Here we have the pci-e slots. We have 2 16 speed slots and 2 8-speed slots and 2 32-bit pci-e slots. We have 4 SATA connectors, 1 floppy connector and 1 IDE connector, which cabled to the top of the case. Here we have the FireWire card. The spare hard drive tray is also installed in the system. So if I want to upgrade the hard drives, I have the right part for it. We can install a floppy drive here, and we have 2 5 1/4 spaces. On the power supply we have 4 SATA connectors, 2 Molex connectors, a floppy connector and an extra floppy connector for the FireWire card, and a 6-pin connector for 1 video card. In the back of the system we have 2 fans, both are 9.2 cm. Here in the front of the system we have a PC speaker installed. On the back we have PS2 ports, parallel port, 1 COM port, 5 USB 2.0, gigabit Ethernet and a sound card. We have a LightScribe DVD writer, 2 USB ports on the front and audio on the front. And also we have a front FireWire port. Here on the sticker we can see the system is in the original configuration with a 1.86 GHz CPU, 250 GB hard drive, 2 GB of RAM, and the system was made for Windows XP Professional. We have 2 sticks of 1 GB DDR2 667 CL5 ECC. Here we have the AT-Fire GL with 2 DVI ports. And the model is the FireGL V3350 256 MB. The hard drive is a Seagate Barracuda 7200.10 250 GB, and it's a single platter drive. So let's put the system back together. Let's find out where this extra fan goes. The connector is a 4-pin connector, so let's look on the motherboard where it's connected. Here we have a 5-pin for the extra CPU. And here, I think it must go here. So let's connect it. It has some clips here. So maybe, look, it's an extra fan to cool the memory sticks. Now everything is back in the system, let's try it out. It detected the memory change, so that's good. And the missing fan error is also gone. Let's test the memory with the Ultimate Booster Day. The memory is working okay, it's now time to upgrade it. I have this memory sets of HP. All the sticks are 4 gigabytes each, so let's try it out. So let's remove the cooling shroud. Be careful to not burn your fingers because the sticks are pretty warm. The memory is installed, so the shroud can go back in position. 16 gigabytes memory installed. System information. 4 sticks of 4 gigabyte. Nice. Now we need to run the mem test again to see if this set of memory is stable. The memory upgrade looks successful. So I found some other upgrades for this system. 500 gigabyte hard drive. I also have this USB 3 card with the front bay unit. And I can upgrade the video card with this NVIDIA 9800 GT from Asus. The card has 512 megabytes of memory. The upgrades are installed now. Let's test the hard drive. The hard drive test seems fine. So we have another great dumpster machine. And while the test was running, I was checking online on eBay for faster CPUs and an extra cooler. And I bought an extra cooler, of course, and faster CPUs for the system. So they will take a while to arrive. So I'm gonna end this video right now. And I will continue working on the system when the CPUs and the cooler is arrived, and I will install an operating system on the machine. I'm thinking about installing Linux Mint on this system, and I will try to play some games with Steam. This is the most powerful system I found yet in a dumpster. And when I upgraded the CPUs, it will be even more powerful. And with the 16 gigabytes of DDR2 memory installed, we can do a lot of modern tasks on it. Thanks for watching, please like and share this video, subscribe and leave a comment. See you next time.